I think, from the
You,
moment we
you know,
started to the moment it ended.
it's a good activation when like you have to actually break to get a drink of water and your voice is starting to go hoarse. You're
Yeah.
talking so much.
Yep.
Those are the good
Or
ones.
worse off, you're recording it and you have to stop while the other person's still answering all the calls. So you can like switch the batteries in the camera because it's like the camera had already worn down at that point, and we were like, we gotta still keep filming this. And so yeah, it was definitely one of the, it will go down in the record books for me. Just being able to go out and again, and I know you had mentioned this on the last episode or two before. The antenna that came to save our butts again was the Bug Out Mini by Reliance Antenna. That thing was on point, no problem. 10 meters, picking calls. Like, I mean, literally 10 meters felt like I was just watching Paul activate. And the people that he was talking to were coming in 5'9" plus 20 over, 5'9" plus 40 over in some cases. It was just like they were literally sitting there next to us having a conversation. And then when we got into 20, it was the same thing. Like, there was no point. Like, we would kind of laugh when people would be like, yeah, we're giving you a 5.7, 5.8. I'm like, dude, I can hear you, and you're like literally crystal clear in the conversation. There's no way we're a 5.7, 5.8, I'm sure.